Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet this very simple basket. The baskets can you crochet with thinner yarn in more colors or with thicker yarn and in one color. You cannot see who is the begin and end of round with this puff stitch pattern. Like Easter decoration, you can crochet this simple X in one color, three colors, or this bunny. Link for all this can you find in descriptions. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. Today I will crochet in these three colors. It is cotton yarn, Catania from Schachenmeier, and we need matching crochet hook. I use 2.5 millimeter, and at the end we need sewing needle and scissors. We start only with the basket bases and then this puff stitch pattern. I start with the magic ring. And crochet first round 9 single crochet in the ring. And 9, pull yarn and close the ring, and finish round with the slip stitch in the first stitch. Second round, from now on we crochet with the chain stitch on the begin and with the slip stitch on the end of round. We crochet not in spiral rounds. Second round, 2 single crochet in every stitches. At the end we have 18 stitches. (17 and 18). Finish round with the slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 24 stitches. 2 single crochet in the last stitch and finish round with the slip stitch. Round 4, chain 1, 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 30 stitches. Finish round with the slip stitch. And now round number 5, chain 1, and normally I will crochet 1 single crochet in first 4 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, but I will not increase the stitches always on the same place. Therefore I will divisible these first 4 stitches, 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and now 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches, 2 in the next stitch, 4 stitches, 2 in the next stitch, and finish round with 1 single crochet in last 2 stitches. And so we can divisible these first 4 stitches. 1 single crochet in last 2 stitches, and finish round with the slip stitch. And now we have 36 stitches. Round number 6, chain 1, 1 single crochet in first 5 stitches, 4 and 5, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 42 stitches. Round 7, chain 1, divisible first 6 stitches, 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and now 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 6, 2, and finish round with 1 single crochet in last 3 stitches, slip stitch in the next stitch, and at the end we have 48 stitches. Round 8, chain 1, 1 single crochet in first 7 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 54 stitches. Round 9, chain 1, divisible first 8 stitches, 1 single crochet in first 4 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in next 8 stitches, 2 single crochet, 8, 2, and at the end 1 single crochet in last 4 stitches, finish round with the slip stitch, and we have 60 stitches. Round 10, chain 1, 1 single crochet in first 9 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 66 stitches. If you want, you can finish it, work with bases every round, but for this pattern we need number of stitches divisible by 3, and every round is divisible by 3. With the thicker yarn it can be a now, but for this video I crochet few rounds more. Round 11, chain 1, divisible first 10 stitches, 1 single crochet in first 5 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 10 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 10, 2, and at the end 1 single crochet in last 5 stitches, slip stitch, and we have 72 stitches. Round 12, chain 1, 1 single crochet in first 11 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round, finish round with the slip stitch. At the end we have 78 stitches. Round 13, chain 1, divisible first 12 stitches, 1 single crochet in first 6 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in next 12 stitches, 2 single crochet, at the end 1 single crochet in last 6 stitches, slip stitch, and we have 84 stitches. Round 14, chain 1, 1 single crochet in first 13 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 90 stitches. For this video it was the last round. I have 90 stitches in round, but if you want you can continue. Round 15, divisible first 14 stitches, 1 single crochet in first 7 stitches, 2 in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in next 14 stitches. At the end you have 96 stitches. Round 16, 1 single crochet in first 15 stitches, 2 in the next stitch. At the end you have 102 stitches, and so forth. At the end you can ironic the bases like me, and we can start with the puff stitch pattern. We crochet first round, first puff stitch, pull yarn, yarn over, and grab yarn through the same stitch and pull yarn. This is the first time. Second time, yarn over, grab yarn and pull yarn, and third time, yarn over, grab yarn and pull yarn. Now pull yarn through the all loops and chain 1. We start the round with the puff stitch and finish round with the puff stitch in the same stitch. Continue. Skip next 2 stitches and in the third stitch the same. Yarn over, grab yarn, pull yarn. Is 1, 2 and 3 through the all loops, and now we crochet not the chain stitch, and again in the same stitch the next puff stitch. Yarn over, grab yarn, pull yarn. Is 1, 2 and 3. Yarn through all loops, and now we crochet chain 1, and again skip next 2 stitches. In the third stitch, yarn over, grab yarn, pull yarn, 2 and 3, knot, chain stitch, and again yarn over, 1, 2 and 3 through all loops and chain 1. Between these 2 puff stitches we crochet not chain stitch, but between these puff stitches we crochet chain 1, and this repeat to the end of round. It was last 2 puff stitches, and now we crochet last puff stitch in this round in the same stitch like the first puff stitch. The same, yarn over, grab yarn, pull yarn, 1, 2 and 3 through all loops, and finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch. It was first round. Now second round we crochet between 2 puff stitches, again 2 puff stitches, but here in this first puff stitch pull yarn, yarn over, and now here in the middle 1, 2 and 3 through all loops and chain 1. And here in the next, between next puff stitches we crochet not only in this stitch, but here between these 2 puff stitches is 1 yarn, and this yarn we must find is here. Next yarn is here, and it is in the middle. Here is this yarn, and here crochet we 2 puff stitches. Yarn over, grab yarn, pull yarn. Is 1, 2 and 3 through all loops. We crochet not chain stitch, and again 1, 2, 3 through all loops, and now 1 chain stitch, and continue. Yarn over, grab yarn, pull yarn, 1, 2 and 3, and again 1, 2 and 3, and chain 1. And this repeat again to the end of round. finish round with the slip stitch, finish round with the second puff stitch in the same stitch, and slip stitch here in the first stitch. I crocheted 3 rounds with the same color, but next 3 rounds I will crochet with different colors, and I show you how to change color. It was last puff stitch and finish round with the slip stitch, but here in the first stitch. And now put the next color, grab yarn, and now we crochet first puff stitch with the different color, pull yarn over, and in this hole 1, 2 and 3, through all loops, chain 1. Now you can pull this first yarn, and at the end we crochet here the second puff stitch with the same color, and continue. And chain 1. And this repeats so many rounds. How many do you want? I crocheted a few rounds, and now we crochet last round. Finish with the slip stitch, and now chain 1, and we crochet 1 single crochet in this hole, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and 2, and again 1 single crochet in the hole, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. This repeat to the end of round, and the last stitch. And now in this first stitch, pull yarn to the back. I'll pull this last stitch to the back and pull yarn, and now through this loop pull this yarn, and now looks like this. Sew all yarn ends on the back side. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.